Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quick question. Have you ever watched your app fire API requests like crazy while a user is still typing? Search inputs, AI suggestions, database lookups, half those calls are already useless before the response comes back. So how do you cancel an API call that's no longer needed? That's exactly what we're solving today using AbortController. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel fetch requests the right way, using a real-world example like AI autocomplete or live search, so your app stays fast and you don't waste API money. Let's look at the code. Here at the top, I'm creating a new AbortController. Think of this as a remote control for a fetch request. Right below, notice this fetch call. See how I pass signal equals controller.signal? This line is important. It tells Fetch, hey, this request can be canceled. Now, imagine the user typed something in a search box. Before starting a new request, look at this line. We call controller.abort. This instantly cancels the previous API call if it's still running. Then we create a brand new abort controller and send the latest request. Down here in the catch block, notice what happens. If the error name is AbortError, we just ignore it. That's expected. It means the request was canceled on purpose. Any real error still gets handled normally. Visually, what's happening is simple. Every new input kills the old request. Only the latest search or AI query stays alive. So your UI stays clean, fast, and always shows the correct result. This is especially useful when you're calling AI APIs, hitting databases, or doing live search. You save money, avoid race conditions, and prevent old data from overriding new results. The takeaway is simple. If your app fires frequent fetch requests, AbortController should be your default. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel for more modern JavaScript tricks, real-world patterns, and performance hacks you can actually use. I'll see you in the next one.